All right, welcome everybody. Today we're giving an algebraic expression from Jamb 1981, where we are asked to multiply x squared plus x plus 1 by x squared minus x plus 1. So let's dive straight into the question. The first thing we do when we're given something like this is quickly we just write solution. Then we fix in imaginary brackets to our algebraic expression to just make our work much easier. Now we write bracket x squared plus 1 plus x plus 1 bracket close, bracket x squared minus x plus 1 bracket close. Now we multiply the equation on our right side by that on our left. So we have x squared bracket open x squared minus x plus 1 bracket close plus x bracket open x squared minus x plus 1 bracket close plus 1 bracket open x squared minus x plus 1 bracket close. Now we proceed by multiplying s squared times s squared. This will give us x raised to power 4. X squared times minus x will give us minus x raised to power 3. S squared times plus 1 will give us plus x squared. Now plus x times x squared gives us plus x raised to power 3 plus x times minus x gives us minus x squared plus x times plus 1 gives us plus x. Now plus 1 times x squared gives us plus x squared plus 1 times minus x gives us minus x plus 1 times plus 1 gives us plus 1. Now we proceed to collect like terms. We collect like terms and we have x raised to power 4 minus 3x. We have plus x plus 3x rather. Then since that we're done with x raised to power 3, next we move to x raised to power 2 and we have plus 2x minus x, plus x raised to power 2 minus x raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 2. All right. Next we have plus x minus x plus 1. Now we proceed to sum up what we have from our like terms, to sum up our equation, and we have 4x minus x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 3 will cancel out. Now we have plus x raised to power 2 minus x raised to power 2. This will also cancel out. We're left with plus x raised to power 2. Come down right, plus x raised to power 2 plus x minus x will also cancel out, and we're left with plus 1. This gives us our final answer as x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 2 plus 1. Thank you.